The ADC Multikuf 731 kit is an exceptionally compact multicuff system, making it perfect for emergency medical technicians who need portability without sacrificing functionality. Its durable black nylon zipper case is designed to keep all components organized and easily accessible, fitting seamlessly into most emergency boxes and trauma kits. The kit includes 3 color-coded Adcuff nylon cuffs in small adult, and large adult sizes, accommodating limb measurements from 19 centimeters to 50 centimeters. The 804 palm-style gauge is a highlight, featuring a high-impact casing and an ambidextrous trigger valve, ensuring precise control and ease of use for both left and right-handed users. With a luminescent dial and extended graduation marks, the ADC Multikuf 731 kit provides clear readings in various lighting conditions, enhancing its usability in diverse environments. ADC's commitment to quality is evident with their lifetime calibration warranty and a 3-year warranty on parts and the inflation system, offering lasting peace of mind to users.